Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making lobster and shrimp taco. Just got back from work, needed something quick and easy to make, and at the same time needing something a little healthy. We are going to start by chopping the cabbage. You can decide to just shred it or you can chop it. I am going to attempt to shred it. My children don't like it in big chunks. Shredding it makes it easier for them to eat it. I'm going to chop the rest of it, but it's going to be thinly sliced. I like it chopped. Be careful with your hand. Now I'm going to add them all together. Next, I'm going to cut the avocado and then peel it. All right, I peeled and chopped the avocado and added it. Next, I add a pinch of salt and then I'm going to slice one lime and squeeze it and then add the juice in and mix. Next, we add a drizzle of agave syrup. My children like things that are sweet. You can use honey. I had some cilantro that I dried from the garden and I just want to add a little bit just for that cilantro taste. Next, we are going to set this aside. Next, we are going to cut our lobster. We have 6 of this for about a pound. We're going to cut them into 2, split them. And we also have our shrimp and the rest of the lobster that we have previously cleaned. Take it out. It's a fresh lobster. We're going to wash our hands and come and season the lobster. All right. So to season our shrimp and lobster, we have 2 tablespoons of Cajun seafood seasoning. We will add 1/4 tablespoon of garlic, and then we're gonna mix and season it well. We cleaned the shrimp, we deveined it, and then we patted it dry. It just makes the seasoning stick to the shrimps much better. We are going to set this aside and make our sauce. To make our sauce, we are going to put a 1/4 cup of real mayonnaise. This is made from olive oil, and we're going to get a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Squeeze 1 fresh lime juice, some garlic powder, dried cilantro, and then hot chili sriracha sauce. You don't want to put too much, you get hot, and then we just mix. And I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of agave. We then set the sauce aside and proceed to the stove top to cook the shrimp and the lobster. We start by drizzling 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. Now we are going to add the shrimp and lobster and cook over medium-high heat, cooking each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until it turns pink. Turn it and cook the other side. In the meantime, while the lobster and shrimps are cooking, we are going to get our tortillas ready. We're just going to put it over a low flame. You want to cook it until the edges look like they're browning. Then you turn it over. You don't want to burn it. This cook for a short time. This is a corn tortilla. Either you say it browning on the edges or the bubble starts to come. We are warming it over low to medium heat. This is going to make about 9 to 12 tacos. The tortilla is ready and everything else is ready. Everything is ready and we are going to assemble. So here we go. Normally I put the 2 together, put the vegetables and then place the shrimps and the lobster, and then we drizzle some of the sauce and then fold it. This is absolutely yummy. Amazing. It's time for taste test. Let's try it. This is so good. This is better than any lobster and shrimp taco you can buy anywhere. And here is my son to confirm that.
Guys are getting my honest review, okay? No sugarcoating.
So that put that up there.
If I lived in Florida, I would eat this at least once a week. This is very good.
It is very good.
If this was in, because I live in Boca Raton, I'll go get this every week. Well, depending on the price now. This is good though. This is good.
Healthy and good. Shrimps and lobster and cabbage and the sauce.
The cabbage is good. I was just gonna finish this. The cabbage and the sauce are really good.
This is so amazing. The sauce is incredible. The heat is just perfect. I urge you to try this at home. You will love it. It is so easy to make. It takes less than 10 minutes, at least less than 20 to 30 minutes to make, depending on how much of it you're making. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that we can notify you when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.